EMP2 at map grid 31529 or 8. Target is surrounded by multiple personnel carrying small arms, entering what appears to be a residential area. Requesting permission to engage. Over.
Officer McCain on scene.
Police, stop right there.
Shots fired. I need backup now.
Copy that. Stop sending backup now.
Civil authorities have issued a law enforcement warning for the following counties/areas: Green City, UT, beginning at 2:30 p.m. and ending at 3:30 p.m. Message from GCPD. Shots reported fired at the Colonial Village limits. Residents around the area are to shelter in place. Check social media for further updates. civil danger for Coolio Village. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Coolio Village Police Department and the Emerson County Emergency Management Agency. A civil danger exists for Coolio Village due to a confirmed terrorist attack in the Coolio Park Center. I repeat, a terrorist attack has been confirmed at the Coolio Park Center. All residents around the center do shelter in place immediately. Failure to do so will result in death. Seek shelter to save your life. I repeat, seek shelter to save your life. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Seek shelter immediately.
This is WXGC-FM. Emergency mode is now in effect. All music is now suspended due to an active emergency. At this time, we will now transition to WXGC-AM for further information.
This is WXEC-12 serving the Acer City area with emergency news. Green City has been found in ruins following a terrorist attack in the city. The mayor and vice mayor have also been found shot dead with multiple gunshot wounds in the chest. The governor is well aware of the ongoing surprise attack and will be addressing the state in about now. Please stand by as we transmit this message from the Utah State Governor's office.
Good afternoon, residents of this amazing state. It is with a heavy heart for me to announce that Green City has fallen. Due to a terrorist group, now known as the Blue Renegades, Green City is unfortunately no longer a place anymore. At this time, with the ongoing terrorist attack on both Kalaheo Village and Green City, I hereby declare a state of emergency for Emerson County, and the deployment of Emerson County Emergency Management, Utah State National Guard, and other agencies is to occur no later than 7 p.m. Mountain Time this evening for emergency response and recovery. My thoughts go to those affected by this tragedy. This state may be crippled to its knees by these heartless terrorists, but we will stand back up. Long live the state of Utah, and God bless the United States. Thank you for your cooperation. Be strong, Utahns.
Hello everyone, this is TechnoFanaticWX. So yes, this is a scenario just so I can end this hiatus off with something for you. So yes, I am perfectly well aware of the currently ongoing incident between K, Lava, Nova, and everyone else. I myself was involved in an incident. Check my community post for further. And this is how I'm going to end my hiatus. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you in a bit.